Hey everyone, we're at Hastings, the warehouse. Just got a box down. More team transporters. I didn't pick up the black hole last time. Been wanting it. It's like 50 bucks online. It's in here, so let's go get it out. Check this out, guys. Oh yeah. There it is. Retro rig, Supernova. Oh, finally. And I'll grab another one of these for Tim. 2 Redattos there. Sweet. Finally get to have this thing. The last piece to my team transport puzzle since I've got the rest of them now. Sweet. Look at that. The Hacko's kind of sitting in there a bit too far. But that's sick. Well, thanks everyone for watching. It was quick. Really quick. And unboxing. Might as well show the Datto as well. Since there are 2 to a box, they're not really worth much here. People are after these 2. Love JDM Legends. In fact, wearing the snapback at the moment. Boom. Alright. Sick. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.